la vilaine Mimi. Elle est allée dedans, hein. On va mieux aujourd'hui, ma petite chienne. On va mieux. Et oui, Nana va manger des bonnes choses, tu vas voir. J'ai fait un café et une soupe dans mon Walt Disney vert. Et qu'est-ce qui arrive maintenant? Oh, du calorgas. Quelqu'un est en panne ou il est perdu. Oula. I've never seen a calorgas. Is it camgas? Same thing, camgas. Couldn't find any when I was camping in Lithuania once. Couldn't find the bottles. No, it wasn't calorgas I was looking for. It was, anyway, some kind of camping gas. This looks like large camping. Whoa, who are you looking for?
Poulton Cottage.
Poulton Cottage. God knows where that is. Well,
Cottage, straight mile.
Ah, straight mile. Keep going down that way, and it's not the first road on the right. It'll be the second.
Oh really?
Yeah, that's the straight mile.
Sat-navs are brilliant, aren't they?
Oh, they're hopeless. Yeah, well, I was thinking nobody has calorgas here, or I couldn't get...
Yeah.
Second on the right.